Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna show you how to splint an ankle with our flat splint. This is one of my favorite uses for this splint. Obviously, you can do so many things with this guy, and this is just one of them. So I'm gonna have my patient step pretty much right in the middle of the splint, and then I'm gonna fold this guy over like this and wrap it around. Do the same thing with the other side. And the way you can tell you've done it right is you've got an X up front here. How does that feel?
Very secure.
I feel pretty stable. So what I like to do is either tape this, you can use an ace wrap. I'm using super wrap right now. This is really good stuff. It's really easy to use. And keep in mind, this last step isn't really providing any extra support. You're just securing that splint in place. So there you have it. That is one way to stabilize an injured ankle with a flat splint. Stay safe out there, stay alive.